must be fulfilled.
The residents of Mawlai, Syllaikariah on Friday came out to cast their votes for the Shillong parliamentary seat following the decision of the Executive Committee (EC) of the locality Dorbar Shnang to withdraw its decision to boycott the Lok Sabha polls. As per official figures, the locality witnessed a high turnout with a voting percentage of around 78%. Approximately till 3:30 p.m, Mawlai, Syllaikariah Assistant Rangba Ashnang Ek Harkungor said that it was not an easy decision for the EC to take the drastic step to boycott the elections. He said the decision was taken after receiving positive response.
There hadin banging la penbana Shnong bangin boycott the election. Yang ni ke MP election ke. Te kumto ku mangila penpau ni ai media nam ta tu kijau kicing ki bangi kendo ngila rai ban boycott kumto na habdin bangila yu hi ba ka kam kecam ka la ya be kontraktor la wan menteri no hi mazdor kumto ka lai poteri ke sisa chai la wan ban sedang menteri no te but hadu min sisi kamut ka ba ngila da ka isi hi kamut ni ong ba kakam kala dep in withdraw no.
Samborlang Rinja, a 6-year-old aspiring